is it about red tractor assured wheat that makes Weetabix so good?
Traceability. So we literally can provide the life history of what we've done from the point of planting the seed in the ground, caring for that crop all the way through to maturity, harvesting it and then putting it in this barn, and how we've then looked after it. We can provide all that information.
And why should consumers buy British wheat?
Personally, having been to different countries, I think the British standards, especially with red tractor, they're high standards, and what that does is it ensures that we have something that's differentiated to what you get across the world.
And what does it mean to you to be a red tractor farmer?
It's nice to be a part of something where you are ensured that you're operating the standard that both the consumer wants, that you can feel proud that you've reached that standard. It's not easy to just pass a red tractor audit or standard, and nice to know that you're doing something that's helping in different elements, whether it's the traceability, the standards or the environment.